Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday, and of course we're going to take a look at the NZSX 50 and see how it's performed over the past week. The normal housekeeping, just remember that this is for educational purposes only. No way is it intended to be personalised financial advice. This is just my view on the New Zealand market, the main board, and obviously applying my methodology when I look to invest in shares. So let's take a look. Okay, I have got the main board up here on the screen being the NZSX 50, and this is over a 5-year period. Now, I've already put the moving averages on, and if I zoom in, you can see that this red line, with being the 30 exponential moving average, and the blue line being the 15, basically crossed. They've crossed to the downside, okay, which to me is very much a warning sign that there could be more downward pressure to come. Only time's going to tell us that, but that is certainly what the market is telling me at the moment. We've had 3 weeks in a row now where our main market has fallen, and some of this could be off the back of what is happening in the US with the noise of tariffs. You've got the EV sales with Tesla and things falling, and they're having a recall at the moment. It could be these things. Who knows? Anything can drive markets. Basically, it's surprises that drives markets. And you can see, looking down the bottom here, the volume as well. The volume is right up. So last week there were just over 11,000 shares traded on the main board versus the week before, which was about 10,700, 10,800. So a lot more shares in that have been traded. You can see even down here that basically it's fallen about 13% there, looking at the MACD line. This week, so I am recording this on Tuesday, you can see that we've got a very slight green candle there. So the market is up Monday and the start of today's trading, but we're only talking 0.12%. So it's very, very insignificant as to where the market is at the moment. We'll just go back out a little bit. So looking at this chart here from a little bit further back, if you like, you can see that we've pretty much got a potential line of support sitting at around that 10,500 mark, okay? It hit it back here, back in the middle of June 2022, and then it almost hit it again around the end of October 2023. And since then, we've sort of been meandering along. Whether it's going to fall that far, who knows? Only time will tell. It certainly hit this line of resistance that we had back here in March last year, which was also, it hit it a few times there actually, July 2023 and also May 2023. That started forming a line of resistance. It broke through that, which was great, but now it's fallen down to that very same line. And you can see we're sitting on that with that dash line when I zoom in a little bit. So really only time's going to tell us what is going to happen. At this stage for me, because our overall market is trading below those moving averages, and it appears that they 15-week moving averages crossed through the 30, for me, it's definitely putting everything on hold. I'm not looking for any new positions to open. However, upon saying that, I do have existing positions in the market and I'm maintaining those. And I've spoken of that before, that for me, it's really important to make sure that I've got my exit strategies in place. I've got my stop losses loaded. So if anything does happen and there is more downward pressure, then those shares will automatically be sold. And it means that for me, it takes that emotion out. I don't have to worry about, oh, is this going to be the bottom and is it going to continue rising? Who knows? For me, by having those stop losses, if it's hit, I'm exited, and it means I can live to trade another day. So that's all for me for this week. Come back on Thursday. We're going to take a look at EBOS and see how that share is performing. And remember, if there is a share that you would like me to review, or if there is anything you would like to learn in regards to share trading, reach out, message me, DM, whatever. I'm happy to share my methodology and what I do when I'm trading in the share markets. And this can be the New Zealand market or the Australian or the US, whatever market you're interested, I'm happy to help you out. So I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.